Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to upload shorts on YouTube. So first you need to click the create icon and then click upload video and then select a file. Make sure the file is 9 by 16 when it comes to size and then upload it. And here in the video link, wait till /shorts appear on the link section, and while you wait for uploading the video, you can enter the title and the description of the video. And after that, you can see now that the video link has a /shorts. It means that the video is qualified as a video shorts. You can now publish the video. So that's it. That's how to upload shorts on YouTube. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.